Okay, so let's take a look at this problem over here. So it looks like all we have to do for this problem is to track a whole bunch of if statements, and the logic behind the if statements are described above here. So we have to make a whole bunch of decisions based on some number, which is an A is a 93 and above inclusive on the lower end there, and then we have another range 84 to 92 inclusive, 75 to 83, and then finally below 75. If we take a look at this right here, we can, if you're just trying to do the problem, you can just brute force. Let's take a look at the if statement real quick. So here, greater than or equal 93, it's going to print out, or it's going to set A as a grade, good. Between 84 and 92 inclusive, that's good too. Between 75 and 83 inclusive, good. Otherwise, if the score is less than 75, it should say F. So the first one there is good. So it's not 2 only or 3 only, because we know that 1 is good to go. If we take a 2 though, let's take a look at 2, we see that there is actually a syntax error right here. You can't simply just write this expression, right? So you might write that maybe in math, or if you're explaining something, but in code we cannot write it this way. We have to use the AND operators or operators to join together multiple conditions. And so immediately anything dealing with 2 must also be eliminated, and therefore for that one it is D.